Your car is acting completely possessed today. Maybe it absolutely refuses to crank over, the automatic transmission is slamming into gear with neck-snapping harshness, or your four-wheel drive system has totally checked out. You hook up your diagnostic scanner and find a code P06B0, which translates to sensor power supply as circuit open. This is not a code you want to ignore, because it means the main brain of your operation, the powertrain control module, has completely lost the ability to send power down a specific circuit to a vital group of sensors. Modern vehicles rely on a massive network of sensors to manage everything from exhaust gas recirculation to transmission shift timing. The computer supplies a steady reference voltage, typically exactly 5 volts, out to these sensors so they can send their data back. When the computer tries to send that power down circuit A and detects an open circuit, meaning the electrical path is completely broken, those sensors instantly go blind. Without that critical data, the computer panics and throws your car into a severe limp mode to prevent catastrophic mechanical damage. Diagnosing this requires patience and a good digital volt ohm meter. Do not just immediately assume your engine computer is fried, because they are incredibly expensive. The absolute first thing you should do is check every single fuse and fusible link related to the engine and transmission management systems. A blown fuse will kill that power supply instantly. Next, you have to get your hands dirty and physically trace the wiring harnesses. Look for spots where the wire loom might have rubbed against a sharp metal bracket, burned against a hot exhaust pipe, or where a connector has vibrated loose. You also need to meticulously check your main engine and chassis ground straps. A rusty, loose ground wire can cause absolute chaos and make the computer think a power circuit is open. If your wiring is absolutely flawless, no other sensor codes are present, and your multimeter confirms that the computer is simply not outputting that 5-volt reference signal on the A circuit, then you are unfortunately looking at a failed computer or a major programming error that will require a trip to the dealership for a reflash or replacement.